Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is BRcrochet, and in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to make this cute colorful scrunchie here, and this is very easy to make. It is beginners friendly. Anyone can make it. Either you're a beginner, you don't have an idea of how to crochet, you can actually make this. And for the materials, all you need is your balls of yarn or ball of yarn. To make this, you need less than 50 grams to make this. You'll be needing your elastic band. You can either have the elastic band or you have this ready-made one. You'll be needing your hook size of 4.0 mm. You can actually use any hook size of your choice, but for this tutorial I'll be using 4.0 mm, and your pair of scissors. So this is all you need to make this beautiful scrunchie here. So by the end of this class you will learn how to make this. So let's get right into class. The first thing we're going to do is to make a slip knot. So make a slip knot. Then we're going to make our chain. So I'll be making a chain of 110. Your number of chain determines how full or how puffy your scrunchie is going to look. So but I'll be making a chain of 110. So you can go ahead and make any number of chain that you would like to. 3, 4, 5, 6. I have my chain of 110 here. So I'm going to chain extra 2. 1, 2. You're going to skip the last 2 chain you made to head over to the third chain. So skip 1, 2 and head over to the third to make a double crochet. So yarn over, go in, pull up, put through 2, put through 2, yarn over, go in, pull up, put through 2, put through 2, yarn over, go in, pull up, put through 2, put through 2, yarn over, go in, pull up, put through 2, put through 2. So you make 1 double crochet until you get to the last stitch. So this is it. You continue with 1 double crochet until you get to the last stitch. So keep repeating the same stitch until the last stitch. So I've gotten to the last stitch, and all we have to do is to fold. You're going to fold on a straight line. So pick the upper edge here, the last stitch or the upper stitch here, and join together. So you make chain together, chain 2. You're going to pick the lower stitch here, also make a chain of 2. Then press down. So now this is joined together. From now on, we're going to start working around in circle. So you have your chain of 2 here, add one more, that's chain of 3. Then into the first stitch you're going to place 1 double crochet, then into every other stitches 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet into every stitch without skipping a stitch. For a total of your number of chain, I have 110, so I'm going to continue with 1 double crochet until I get to my last stitch. So getting to the last stitch, and I'm going to place my slip stitch here. Chain 2. So if you place a double crochet into this, then you're going to skip the last stitch here. So place a double crochet into this. Then continue with 1 double crochet again until you get to the last stitch. I'm back to this last stitch. Like I said, if you have your double crochet into the same stitch here, then it means you're going to skip this because this is equal to this. When you have a stitch into this, then it means you're increasing. When you have another stitch into this, then it means you're increasing. So make your slip stitch, or place your slip stitch into this, and this is done. You're going to chain 2 or 3, then into the same stitch again you have your double crochet, then going with 1 double crochet until maybe 15 rows. So you can go ahead and make your desired rows. So this is row 4, 1 2 3 4. So continue until you have your desired number of rows, and we'll meet up once I'm done. So this is what I'm having so far, and I have a total of 12 rows, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this is 12 rows here. The next thing for us to get our band, turn into the opposite side. So if you want to, you can trim out all this excess yarn. If you want, you can trim out the excess yarn. So all I'll be doing next is fold this and pull this out to have the band in the middle. So you should be having something like this. Then you can go ahead and pull out. Now you have your band inside this, then pull this out. So now the next thing is to crochet round. You can go in with your needle, your darning needle, or just crochet everything together, but I will have to crochet everything out. So you can either go in with a single crochet round or you go in with a double crochet round. So I'll be going with a single crochet round. So you have your chain one, then single crochet this together. So you can single crochet the stitches together. Just single crochet everything together. So you're going around until you're back to the first stitch. But make sure you have your single crochet into every of the stitches. And you're joining the two together. So continue and we'll meet up once I get back to this point. I'm just going to slip stitch into this. Chain one, then cut. Go into the next stitch. Pick up a strand. If you're using two strand yarn, if you're using a double yarn, then you pick up one. But if you're using a one strand yarn, then you can just open it up and divide into two. Then tie again. Then cut. So this is it. Then for this, I'm just going to weave it in. And also this, I'm going to weave it in. So this is all. And now we have a maxi scrunchie. So now you have your band in the middle, and this is it. So thank you for watching to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.